Second bit, 10th question. Find the quadratic equation for which the sum of roots is 7, the sum of squares of roots is 25. So we don't know the quadratic equation, but we know the sum of roots and the sum of squares of roots. So let alpha comma beta are roots. Sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to 7 is given. Next, sum of squares alpha square, another square beta square, sum plus alpha square plus beta square equal to 25. Now we need to find a quadratic equation. So if we know sum of roots and product of roots, we can easily find the equation. So here alpha square plus beta square equal to 25. Alpha plus beta whole square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now here 2 alpha beta equal to, bringing this one outside, alpha plus beta whole square minus of alpha square plus beta square. So 2 alpha beta equal to, we know alpha plus beta it is equal to 7. We know alpha square plus beta square it is equal to 25. 2 alpha beta equal to 49 minus 25. 2 alpha beta equal to 49 minus 25 equal to 24. Alpha beta equal to how much? 24 by 2 equal to 12. So alpha plus beta equal to 7. Alpha beta equal to 12. So equation, quadratic equation, x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Therefore x square minus alpha plus beta 7x plus alpha beta 12 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Next question. So next question is second bit, third question. Two x power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 equal to 0. So this is the question. We need to solve this question. So actually it is not quadratic, it is biquadratic. Biquadratic is nothing but degree 4. The degree of a equation is equal to 4, then it is called biquadratic. I want to convert this biquadratic into quadratic. So if we observe the coefficients of the powers, x power 4 coefficient 2, constant 2, x cube coefficient 1, x coefficient 1. So if we observe the powers from here to here, which are same as here to here, so 2, 2. So now onwards, here onwards I want to read 2, 1 minus 11, 1, 2. So I will read here 2, 1 minus 11, 1, 2. These are same. If these are like this, what I am doing, I want to divide with x square on both sides. Simply dividing with x square on both sides. 2 x power 4 by x square. So x square cancel, we are getting one more x square. Next, x cube by x square, x square cancel, we are getting another x. Minus 11, x square by x square cancel, only 11, minus 11. X by x square, one x getting cancelled, denominator another x. Plus 2 by x square as it is, 0 by x square, 0. So now what I am doing, here x square, denominator x square, here x, denominator x. So keeping one side, 2 of x square plus 1 by x square. So 2 into x square, 2x square, 2 into 1 by x square, 2 by x square, plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 0. So observe this one, a square plus b square, here 2ab term is missing. So that's why what I am doing, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. 2 into x into 1 by x 1 by x getting cancelled, this one. Actually, how much we are adding? 2 into 2, 4 adding including. So that's why I am subtracting 4. to make it this equal 2 into x square 2x square plus 1 by x square 2a beta. 2a beta means nothing but 2 into x into 1 by x. X 1 by x getting cancelled, we are getting only 2. So we are adding 2. We are adding 2 means here before multiple 2. 2 into 2 4. We are adding 4. That's why I am subtracting 4 plus x plus 1 by x minus 11 equal to 0. Now to half. This is a plus b whole square formula. X plus 1 by x whole square plus this one I am writing x plus 1 by x minus 4 minus 11 minus 15 equal to 0. Now if you want to check this one, a plus b whole square x square plus 1 by x square 2ab 2 into x into 1 by x cancel, we are getting 2. We can write like this. Okay, let x plus 1 by x equal to a. If it is equal to a, to a square plus a minus 15 equal to 0. 2a square plus a minus 15 equal to 0. So now it will be converted into quadratic. So 2a square plus a minus 15. So I want to factorize 2 into 15 30. So this is 1. 6 into 5 30. So 2a square plus 6a minus 5a minus 15 equal to 0. In this 2a common, we are getting a plus 3. In this minus 5 common, a plus 3 equal to 0. So now a plus 3 common, 2a minus 5 equal to 0. So if we are taking a plus 3 equal to 0, either it is a plus 3 equal to 0 or 2a minus 5 equal to 0. A plus 3 equal to 0, then a equal to minus 3. 2a minus 5 equal to 0, a equal to minus 5 bringing outside plus 5 by 2. So we are getting two cases. First one, a equal to case 1. A equal to how much? Minus 3. So if a equal to minus 3, x, what is a? X plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x equal to minus 3. Denominator x. X square plus 1 equal to minus 3. X square plus 1 equal to minus 3x. Bringing left side, x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So a equal to 1, b equal to 3, c equal to 1. Quadratic formula. So x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2e. So minus 3 plus or minus under root 3 square minus 4 into 1 by 2 into 1 minus 3 plus or minus 9. 4 into 1 into 1 4 by 2 into 1 2 minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 4 root 5 by 2. So x equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So this is for case 1. Next I am taking for case 2. What is case 2? A equal to how much? 5 by 2. If a equal to 5 by 2, what is a? X plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. X plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Taking LCM x, x into x, x square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2x square plus 2. 2 into x square. 2x square, 2 into 1, 2. 5x. Bringing left side, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. So we can apply quadratic formula, but we can easily factorize this one. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. 2x common, x minus 2. Minus 1 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. So if we are taking x minus 2 common, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1 bringing outside 1, 2 bringing outside 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 2 comma 1 by 2 comma minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. So this is the second bit, 8th question. 2 of x plus 1 by x whole square minus 7 of x plus 1 by x plus 5 equal to 0. So we need to solve this equation. So directly this is x plus 1 by x, this is also x plus 1 by x. I am taking let x plus 1 by x equal to a. Then we got 2a square minus 7a plus 5 equal to 0. 2 into 5 10, 2 plus 5 7. 2a square minus 2a minus 5a plus 5 equal to 0. Next 2a common. If we are taking 2a common, a minus 1. In this 5 common, minus 5, a minus 1 equal to 0. So either a minus 1 common, 2a minus 5 equal to 0. This product is 0. Either a minus 1 equal to 0 or 2a minus 5 equal to 0. Either a equal to 1 or a 2a equal to 5, a equal to 5 by 2. Case 1. I am taking a equal to 5 by 2 first. What is a? X plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. X plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Taking LCM x, 2x square plus 1 equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication. This is x square plus 1. X into x, x square plus 1 by x equal to 5 by 2. Cross multiplication. 2x square, 2 into 1, 2 equal to 5 into x, 5x. So bringing this 5x left side, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equal to 0. In this, I am taking 2x common. We are getting x minus 2. In this, minus 1 common. Then we get a x minus 2 equal to 0. Next, I am taking x minus 2 common. If we are taking x minus 2 common, we are getting 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 2, x equal to 1 by 2. Next, case 2. Case 2, a equal to 1. X plus 1 by x equal to 1. X square plus 1 equal to 1. Cross multiplication. X square plus 1 equal to x. Bringing left side, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So we won't get factors by factorization. So I want to apply quadratic formula. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 1. So x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b minus or minus 1 plus 1 plus or minus under root 1 square minus 1 square 1 square. 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1. 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 by 2 equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 I root 3 by 2. X equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So overall roots, already what we got, 2 and 1 by 2. Now 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Overall 4 roots of this quadratic equation. Next, similar kind of question. Question number 9. X square plus 1 by x square minus 5 of x plus 1 by x plus 6 equal to 0. 5 of x plus 1 by x plus 6 equal to 0. So this is the question. So actually in this previous question it is whole square form direct given, but it is not given directly. So I am writing x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Actually here ab is not I observing, because x into 1 by x getting cancelled. We are writing 2 and subtracting 2. Minus 2 minus 5 of x plus 1 by x plus 6 equal to 0. So we write it as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 5 of x plus 1 by x. 6 minus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. So now I am taking, this is a, let x plus 1 by x equal to a square minus 5 into a, 5a plus 4 equal to 0. A square minus 5a plus 4 equal to 0. Now I want to factorization. So a square minus 4 into 1, 4a minus a plus 4 equal to 0. So a common, a minus 4, minus 1 common, a minus 4 equal to 0. So a minus 4 common, a minus 1 equal to 0. A minus 4 equal to 0 or a minus 1 equal to 0. Either a equal to 4 or a equal to 1. So now if case 1, if a equal to 4, what is a? X plus 1 by x equal to 4. So taking LCM x square plus 1 equal to 4. X square plus 1 equal to 4x. X square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Now I am taking a equal to 1, b equal to minus 4, c equal to 1. So the quadratic formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So minus b, 4 minus or minus 4 plus or minus under root minus 4 square 16 minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2 into 1, 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4, 12 by 2. So 4 plus or minus, so root 12 equal to 4 into 3 by 2. 4 plus or minus, bringing 4 outside, 2 root 3 by 2, dividing with 2, 2 plus or minus root 3. So this is about case 1. So case 2. So case 2, a equal to 1. Case 2, a equal to 1, x plus 1 by x equal to 1, x square plus 1 by x equal to 1, x square plus 1 equal to x, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. So in the previous problem, x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0, if we solve this one same as it is, what we will get? X equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. Therefore x are 2 plus or minus root 3 comma 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So these are the 4 roots. So the remaining of this one is this. So a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, same this one.